Want to know how to add your display name in booking.com? So display names are like usernames in booking.com that you see in other apps as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. So you can just simply access your account and read your names easily and keep up with privacy as well. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your website of booking.com. So once you're there, here you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. So make sure you are logged in for this. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have selected your profile, just simply head towards my account on top right here. So now once you have selected my account, here you can just simply scroll down a little bit until you see personal details under manage account. So once you have selected that, under personal details, here you should be seeing to the display name. So you can just simply type in anything that you want. So you can just simply select save right here, and once that is done, the display name should be updated. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.